that's it. I'm just going to turn this down in a second. Pointers, whoever names the song. I have a special announcement now. Becky, who was our Wednesday member, has now left. I suspect a few of you have commented on our ICM page itself and said so. That Wednesday is blank. I know a few people contacted me already. So yes, what it is that we need a new Wednesday person. So please get your auditions in, attach it to this video so we can watch it, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. We don't like Wednesdays being empty, so a few of us will randomly pop up until we can judge who to take over. Okay, thanks for that. Right, bye.